1.7 million visitors every single month, organic traffic, search engine optimization, Google traffic, and generating over $34,000 a month from Google AdSense. Check this out. This is a Google AdSense ad. Okay. Another website, 212,000 visitors a month and generating up to $16,000 a month from Google AdSense. And all this traffic is coming from search engine optimization, organic free traffic. Welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to share how these people built this tool website, which is a calculator website, and how you can do it within 10 minutes. So I'm going to do it live, get a code from ChatGPT and copy paste it straight into my website to see what I can find and if I can build an AI tool website just like this within 10 minutes. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have questions, leave a comment for me, okay? And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, it would be appreciated. Don't forget to share this video with the people you care, because this one video can help someone change their life. Okay, so in this video, I just shared two top websites that's generating thousands of dollars every single month from free traffic, organic traffic. Okay, why am I sharing this? I'm sharing this to give you an idea and help you become more creative, that if you have any kind of knowledge on HTML code, source code, and you know how to build websites or anything like that, things have become easier using AI now. Now you can use AI to build these type of tool website within a couple of minutes, okay, and get verified by Google, paste in the Google AdSense code and start getting paid from Google AdSense. If you don't know what Google AdSense is, Google AdSense is a website where Google places advertisement on millions of websites because of people paying them to advertise their website, called Google AdWords. Okay, so every time Google places these website advertisement on different websites, Google, okay, every time someone clicks those ads, you get paid. They don't have to buy, they don't have to enter their email, they don't have to register, they don't have to do anything. They just have to click and the owner will get paid. For instance, this website down here, you can see here's this website down here, Sleep Calculator. It's a tool website, just one page, okay? And you can see here that this is Google AdSense. So I'm just going to go into the view page source, okay? And I want to show you the Google AdSense code. Right, so let's see. Okay, so we're going to go in and we're going to see where we can find the Google AdSense code. Okay, so you can see here, check this out. This is the Google AdSense code. All right, he is making money from Google AdSense. Okay, now this is a Google AdSense website advertisement that Google is placing on his website. Okay, every time someone comes here and clicks here, he's gonna get paid. Okay, all right, same with this website here, getting over 212,000 visitors a month, making thousands of dollars every single month. Check this out, he's got all sorts of calculators. Okay, income tax calculator, salary calculator, pace calculator, scientific calculator, all sorts of stuff here. When you click on any of the links, then go to the next page, you're going to find ads just like this. And when anyone clicks on those ads, they get paid. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to share how easy it is, and you can become more creative to create these kind of tool websites yourself. Okay. Okay, so I'm into one of my accounts on my website. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and I am going to do All right, I'm going to come into here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is, all right, so let's just click on add step. I'm going to put calculator test. Right, start from scratch. It's telling me to choose a funnel as well. Okay, let's just do sales paid. Let's do thank you. Okay, so there you go, calculator test. I'm going to go into ChatGPT, and I've already told ChatGPT that can you please give me a code related and a similar code to this website here that I can use to create a tool website just like this. Okay, so I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on copy, I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to click on edit page. Okay, I'm going to go to settings, I'm going to go here, edit header code. Let's just paste that in. There you go. Alright, that's the whole code, the source code that ChatGPT generated for me when I gave them a prompt that I want to create a tool website similar to this one called the sleep calculator. Okay, I'm going to click on save, and that's it. Okay, I'm going to click on save. I'm going to exit the page, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to see if it works. Now remember, it's not going to be exact carbon copy of this, okay? But it's giving me the code to create a similar website just like this. Remember, I've used the word similar, okay? So I'm going to come back here. Let's check this out. Oh my word, check this out. Sleep cycle calculator. There you go. It just built a whole website, tool website for me called the sleep cycle calculator. How long did that take? Less than a minute. Okay, so what was the steps? Okay, step one, you want to find this type of tool website that's making thousands of dollars every single month. Step number two, you want to go to ChatGPT, give the ChatGPT a prompt, something like this. I would like to build a website just like this one. Give me the HTML code to build a similar calculator website. Step number three, copy that code, paste it into your website, and see how it's going to look. This is going to look like this. Now, I'm not going to make money from this. I need to put ads on it, okay? Now, bear in mind, if I go into Google, apply to put ads on it, Google is going to actually deny or refuse, okay? It's not going to get approved. It's going to get disapproved. Why? Because Google looks for a lot of stuff, okay? One of the main key important facts for Google to approve your website is traffic. You need to have a lot of traffic, okay? Now, if Google comes to this website and sees it's only a one-page tool website, great, but it's not getting any traffic, Google's not going to approve you. So what you need to do, you need to start creating backlinks, okay? Just creating a tool website, just like this, a calculator website or any tool website, it's not going to make you any money. All right, now these people who created this tool website, they are creating backlinks, okay, on different websites, on top high domain websites, and anchor text that's pointing back to this website, that's giving them some link juice for search engine optimization. And due to that purpose, Google is sending them free traffic, okay, and with that free traffic they are making all this type of money. So when you build any kind of tool website, whether it's a calculator website, whether it's another website, you need to start driving some traffic, start getting your link out there onto the top websites that Google loves. And once you start doing that, you're going to start receiving traffic, you're going to start seeing that traffic climbing up. And once you do that and you start getting a good quality amount of traffic, then you want to go to Google and apply to put ads on this website. When Google will see that it looks like a very good website with a very good tool that people need, it's called a sleep calculator, People can come here and do the calculation for the sleeping time, waking up time. Google is going to approve you. You're going to paste your ad here. And because you're already receiving traffic, okay, you could start seeing some money coming from day one. Yes, that's right. Day one. Not a lot. As the traffic starts to climb and the traffic goes up, the volume goes up, your income will start going up. Okay, so I just shared in this video how it is easy to create a tool website using AI. You can do this too. I just gave you one example of the calculator website. You can do this with any website out there. Start doing it, become more creative, and go out there and start taking action. Now, if you have questions, leave a comment. If you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up. It would be appreciated. Okay, and if you love this video, share this video with the people you care, because this one video can help someone become creative and start taking action to make money online. And if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash the subscribe button. It will be appreciated.